Get ready for the most exciting lucky draw of the year, brought to you by DK Gratias Entertainment Club. Introducing the Thar Roxx 4x4, the ultimate off-road machine that's built to impress. This top model comes with the Daiso MT four-wheel drive system, power and traction for any terrain, panoramic sunroof, enjoy open skies and scenic views, stylish and tough exterior, bold design, ready for adventure, spacious and comfortable interior, premium features and high-quality materials, advanced safety features for a secure driving experience. Now here's your chance to win the Thar Roxx at 300 rupees along with other exciting prizes. The first prize is the Thar Roxx with its powerful features. But that's not all. Second, third, and fourth prizes, you can win 1 lakh rupees each. Fifth and sixth prizes, win 50,000 rupees each. Tickets are just 300 rupees each, and there are only 2,700 books available. That's right, limited tickets mean higher chances of winning. The drawing date is on the 18th of January 2025 on DK Gratias Bar, Mookhep. Don't miss your chance to win big. Get your tickets now, before they're all gone. Call or message the number below for more details and purchase your ticket. See you at the lucky draw on January 18th.
Like this, how you